going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. This is going to be a very short video because I promised you guys I was going to let you know when each one of these cars went up for sale. So this video is about the Ford Tempo. All right, the Ford Tempo is on its way out. In fact, so is the Nissan Hardbody, but that's a separate video. Oh, you know what? I left the keys. Oh, don't pay attention to that. I left the keys to the Colt sitting on the back of the Tempo. I've left these cars out here running for about an hour because I started them up, pulled them out here, and totally forgot about them. Yeah, running perfect, not overheating, nothing at all. And the Ford Tempo, let's just check the Ford Tempo real quick. Man, she looks good, but I need that key. I need that key because this one is going to be heading to auction soon as well. This video is about the Ford Tempo. There it is, guys. Take a look. It's beautiful. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. Mako knocked it out of the park on this one, guys. They really did. Cold air conditioning, hot heat. Obviously, can sit here and idle forever and not overheat. She's nice and cool. Cooling fans are on. Interior looks good. Manual windows. All right, you guys know about this car already. So she's going up for auction. I'll give you the link in the description below, or if you just want the stock number, you can go to IAA.com. All right, both of these, IAA.com, and I'll have the stock numbers in the video here in just a second. All right, so I promised you the link to the Ford Tempo. Okay, so here it is, 302-12293. That is 302-12293. You don't have to worry about the link. I mean, you don't have to worry about the stock number. Just click the link below, guys. You can just click the link right underneath this video. Boom, takes you straight to the car. Right now, it's sitting at $125, and the auction is in 2 days. It's the auction is Wednesday, May the 5th at 9:30 in the morning, and it's at $125. I can't let it go for that, guys. Like, I can't let it go for 125 bucks. I can't do it. Somebody please click the link below. Let's get the bid up on this, man. I'd love to see one of my subscribers get this. And the 2008 Hyundai Tiburon is at 900 bucks. I did a video about that recently, so go back and find that video. Click the link in that if you're interested in the Tiburon. Guys, I got to get out of here. I got lots of videos that I'm working on editing for you guys for this week. I'll see you all very soon in the next one.